Imagine never having to guess how much inventory you have. No more manual cycle counts, wasted hours, or costly errors, just real-time inventory visibility from source to store. Meet Xemelgo's modern retail solutions. We streamline inventory management and deliver total supply chain visibility, letting you focus on what truly matters. It starts at the source, where items are uniquely tagged with RFID labels. These smart labels can be printed through Xemelgo and applied wherever it's most convenient in your supply chain. Wherever they are tagged, our RFID label verification ensures every tag is accurate, helping you meet RFID mandate requirements from major retailers. At distribution and fulfillment centers, incoming goods are verified in seconds. Outbound shipments, from wholesale pallets to e-commerce orders, are validated automatically with our RFID picklist verification solution to ensure correct order contents and safeguard against fraudulent claims. In retail stores, handheld RFID scanners let your team complete full cycle counts in minutes instead of days. Finding the nearest SKU or pinpointing a specific item's location becomes effortless, improving both efficiency and customer satisfaction. Meanwhile, our interactive kiosks handle tasks like stock transfers and customer returns with ease, streamlining workflows to keep your operations running smoothly. Xemelgo even supports proactive loss prevention. Mounted RFID readers and intelligent alerts flag suspicious activity in high-risk zones and can integrate with video feeds for instant review, while RAIN RFID tags make spotting fraudulent returns simple. By integrating with your existing e-commerce, ERP, WMS, and POS systems, Xemelgo automates inventory transactions in real time. Dashboards and reports deliver complete visibility and accountability across your supply chain, ensuring peak performance across channels. Deployment is quick and easy. Our award-winning, turnkey solutions eliminate complexity so you can stay focused on what you do best, delighting your customers. Experience the future of retail operations. Schedule a Xemelgo demo today to transform your supply chain with visibility from source to store.